Ideal TV, watch and learn, watch and laugh.
Please like, share, subscribe, comment and hit the bell for notification.
Hey, what up YouTube and all my Idealians? It's your boy Mr. Ideal here again. This time, as you can tell, another Amazon box, my favorite online store. And here we got today is a Boss amplifier, a monoblock, 3000 watt. Long anticipated, well not long, I had it like 2 days ago and I got it in the mail today. That is why I mess with Amazon so much, because their word is their bond. If they say you get it in 2 days, you get it in 2 days. Or they will explain to you there's a delay. But as you can see, Boss audio system AR3000D, 3000 watt, peak power, 1 ohm, stable. So I'm ready to test this boy and see what can it do for me. And I like it because it's small. Here you get a remote wire that run from your sub in the back, 2 up front, the screws, the fuses, and this little thing is the remote control for it. So let's go ahead, rip that out, and it's look like this. A little knob for you to turn to control your bass. So let's sit that little brother right there. And it's lightweight. 2 fuses, 35 watt each. Speaker terminal, monoblock, only 2 speaker terminal. Then over here you have your power terminal. You have your battery life to the left. In the middle you have your remote, and to the extreme right you have your grounds. So okay, I'm about to do a bench test. It's a bad idea for you to use a drill. You can strip those threading for the screws, but I'm a pro. Okay. And right here I have with me car battery that come from my truck, just to test it, and I have wires to it. So let's go. It have a remote and a power, but right now for testing, only for testing, you use 1 wire and make sure that one end of it is connect to the remote and one end connect to the 12 volt power, and the other wire goes to the grounds. And make sure that the sequence of your wire is okay and the polarities of it. And I got power to have 2 lights, a red and a green. Light mean you have continuous power and it's okay. The red light is your protection light. Once this red light come on, automatically the amplifier will go out and protect your amplifier. Now let me put some speaker wires to it, and then again 2 sets of wire. Make sure you join the 2 live, that's the 2 with the plus and the 2 with the minus. You join them here. You want to keep everything live and grounds, live and grounds. And then here it also marked live and grounds, so you can't make mistakes unless you want to. on the amplifier you have 4 left, right, and 2 is input and 2 is line out. So for instance, you want to connect another amplifier. Once you already have the input plugged up on this side, you can have output on this side. This amplifier. That's my shit. Look at the drill on the floor, it's moving. Everything walking. Yep, there we have it. Bose 3000 watt monoblock AR3000D. It's more than worth it for the money. The quality is like no other. The time you're gonna spend $1,000 to get you a big ass amplifier, take up the space in your car. Trust me, get you a Boss. You see it? Boss. It's lightweight. It's powerful. I can feel the bass inside of me when this thing play, man. I underestimate Boss for a long while. I didn't really like Boss, but it's ignorant to not to like something that you don't know nothing about. So I did my research and decided, okay, I got a little money to burn, so I bought this one. My wife talked me into it. My wife bought this one, and I don't regret it. And it's not expensive. Go on Amazon, there's various prices. I mean, $60 up. It's worth it. It's worth it. This speaker, it's a 2700 watt speaker. This amplifier plays it like it's nothing. It sounds good. I feel the bass. Everything in the house is shaking. They're creeping on the floor when the bass drop. It's the bomb, and I'm gonna install it in my truck. I might do a follow-up when I install it in my truck and show you all it playing inside of my truck, because I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot more out of it because I'm just playing it from my computer now, and it sounds so dynamic. What it's gonna sound like with the car stereo, with the preamp, the crossover and all those added. Wow, this little thing blew my mind. Boss, thank you. And if I need another amplifier, I'm going to Boss. And thank you, Amazon, for selling these cheap, incredible products. Peace.
It's Mr. Ideal. Like, share, subscribe, comment. It's Mr. Ideal. Like, share, subscribe, comment.